Hey y'all, it's your boy Dark Honest Done. Today, baby, we coming at you with another tutorial. So today we're doing a nice, how that song go? Fire flame, fire flame. I swear I haven't been drinking, y'all. If anything, I hope you guys are enjoying the content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for Betty Eddie and share, because sharing everything. Only type of caring we like in this household. Anyways, baby, let's go ahead and get on with it. We have a tutorial to do. Let's go! What it do, boo? What's up, y'all? It's your boy Ricky. And this is the set, if you saw from the beginning of the video, this is the set we're doing. I just kind of I always wanted to try this design out. Yeah, I'm not really much of a freehand when it comes to stop striking. I'm not really a free I'm not really a freehand when it comes to nails, so this is something kind of out of my comfort zone, but I think it came out cute. I feel like this hand's gonna come out a lot better because, you know, I am right-handed, so me trying to draw my left, you know, is a struggle in its own. But yes, this is what we're going for today. This is kind of like a matte and glossy look, so this is really cute. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first part, I know y'all probably already were drinking the video. To be honest, I ain't gonna lie, I've been feeling dehydrated as hell lately, so I haven't been drinking alcohol in the last couple of days. But I'm drinking on some seltzer water. This is blackberry citrus. This is amazing. I buy these by the cases. I have different flavors. I have watermelon, I have mango, I have other flavors. That's right. I need to re-up, but that's outside. That's what I'm drinking today. To get some little hydration. I could just drink water, you know, regular water, but you know, I just want a little water with a little za, you know, with a little za in it, okay? That's my opinion. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this design, y'all. So first, to start off the design, we're gonna be using the Suaviland LED UV paintless color gels. This is 0.25 ounces, and this is 25. That's the color. This is a really pretty color. Let me show y'all the swatch. Let me show you the swatch. The swatch. I should have already had that out. I know. Do not drag me. Don't do that. Don't do it. But this is what that color looks like. It's a really beautiful kind of like terracotta orange, you know. It's a really pretty orange color, and that's what I want to go to. And this is a potted gel. This is a lot different than the ones with the brush. You know, with potted gels, they're just put it in there like this. Also with this, I've had this gel for a long periodical time. So with these, you do have to stir them up a little before use because the liquid inside of these separate. You know, just like with regular polishes, how you have to shake it up before using, applies the same way. So I'm going to be using like a really small, thin brush. This is really thin. And yeah, we're just going to start the design. So I'm just going to pick up some of this and show you how to do the first design. Now for this one, you just kind of start from the top. So first you'll create that shape. So it's kind of like flared out. And then big body bends. And for this one, you go a little higher and you do the same thing, literally the same thing, you know. Pick up the product as you need, you know, but don't put too much because then, you know, have to fix that. And then you just kind of bring it to like the end part like this. This is kind of like just kind of building that shape, the shape of the fire, you know. And that's the first part. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just kind of close off this part here It's very important that you kind of have it, make it look kind of natural. Bam. You want to do leave a little dip there too. You don't want to close it all the way. And then you'll come down the sides and you'll just flare, flip, kind of like creating like a really wide S. And then blend it into the rest of it. And then you'll do the same on this side. So it's almost kind of like making a flower, but make it look spicy. It's like a spicy flower, pretty much. Does that make sense? Is that a good explanation? It's like a spicy flower, you know, because it's fire, right? It's fire, you know. And bam, that's pretty much that. I'm gonna try it without the flash to see if that makes a freaking difference. Okay, so that's one. I'm gonna do another one, child, on camera. But while I'm doing that, I know I spoke recently in one of my videos about a nail opportunity that came up. So I was doing more research. So usually when I have someone reach out to me in regards to any type of nail collabs, I do my research. And you know, I wanted to get more information, and you know, they was cooperating. But then that's when things kind of like didn't make sense to me, because they wanted me to purchase the products, right? So they want me to do a review. So pretty much they want me to purchase the products, and then they will reimburse me. And see, something about that just don't, it just makes me look at you like, are you dumb? Because why reimburse me for something that you can just send to me and reimburse yourself? You know what I'm saying? It just didn't make sense. It's like, and I even expressed that to them. It's like, why would I buy something and then have to get reimbursed when you can just go ahead and just buy it? And all you should need from me, honestly, is just my shipping information so that you can send it to me. It's like, why make the process difficult? Like, let's be honest. Right. If you want me to do a collab, then send me the product and I'll do the review. That's just pretty much how that works. I'm not buying nothing. Right, I'm not buying a damn thing. Right. I'm not buying motherfucking thing. Okay? Unless I want to. And I'm just saying. I know some people probably be like, well, you could have just bought it and went on by your business. First of all, that's my opinion. This is how it works for me. It's like, if you want to do a collab with me, I've had 2 other companies reach out to me to do collabs. And you know what they did? They told me to pick my products out. They let me pick the products out. They sent me the products for free, and they gave me a discount code, which you can use for Madam Glam. If you go to Madam Glam, you can get 35% off by using my discount code Darker35. And if you like Nail Reserve, you can use my discount code Darker50 to get 50% off. You can also use my link in the bio, and it will automatically apply to your order. Or hell, if you want to use both, then hey, that's what that is. Okay, y'all, that's what that is. But yeah, I just feel like if you're gonna do a collab with me, then you should be able to like send the products for me, because I don't have time to, you know, be buying products that I don't want to buy. I already have enough products. I still have one more product that honestly I need to do a review on. I bought, like, most of this stuff I bought in June. Like, this obviously how you see I'm getting to some of this stuff is taking a while. You know, when I buy something, I prioritize what I do. Like, if I have an idea that I want to do before that idea, then that's what I do. That's just that. That's how I roll. So that's pretty much how you do just the whole design of it. You see how that looks? Yeah, it looks good, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the fingers, and I'm gonna do a second coat. Now with this gel, I am gonna do a second coat. That's why I told you you want to make sure that you put this on thin. By putting it on thin, it's just pretty much help it to really look as vibrant as this one. Okay, so I'm gonna do my second coat and cure it, and then we'll come right back. Okay. All right, y'all. So I went ahead and did 2 coats and I cured it, and it looks a lot better. See how it looks a lot better than the other side? Yeah. I was prepared for that because, like I said, this is my dominant hand, so I'm not really good with my left. So yeah, so that looks good. So now we're gonna take the Modelon's Gel Art Liner, and this is in gold, pretty much, number 2. Now, if you want, you can just leave it at this part, because honestly, it looks good at this part. You can do a whatever type of coat you want to do. If you want to just do all matte, you can do that. If you want to do glossy, you can do that as well. I'm gonna do matte and glossy, so the new part's gonna be matte, and then that part's going to be glossy, because you see how that looks. I like how that looks, so that's what I'm going to do. I just want to add gold to it. So yes, if you have like a glitter, like an orange glitter, you can put it all over there too to add more shine as well. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the brush, and I'm not going to add anything to the brush because you're going to be using a little amount of it. I'm going to use another like really thin brush, and I'm just going to, ooh, gotta knock this over, Lord. Please do not waste. Ooh, please do not waste. Ooh, that was close, baby. That was close. So I'm just going to take the brush and just kind of wipe it on here just to pick up some of that product. You don't need too much. And then, bam. So you can barely see there's anything on there. And then we just kind of start pretty much tracing. Right, pretty much just start tracing that design. The most important part about this process is you want to stay within the lines. Do not go outside. You don't want to make it look thicker. Right, you don't want to make it look thicker than what you actually drew. You know, that defeats the purpose. So yeah. But yeah, that nail company, I just, yeah, I never respond back to their email, because it's like, well, I told them if you want me to do a review, then ship the product to me. You know, I can send you my address, but I'm not gonna go through the unnecessary process of. You see how much better that looks? It almost brings that design out. I just love that. I just love that. But yeah. That's just me though. I know some people, some people would probably go for that. Which, I mean, hell, if you want to do that, it's good. I mean, at least they're offering like like a reimbursement pretty much. But it's just too much work for me, because I would have to, you know, I would have to buy it. Then I would have to get the receipt, which I'm not really a receipt type bitch. So I have to get and prove that I actually bought it. I'll have to send it to them. Then they'll have to process the payment and send it to me. And that can take God knows how many days. Y'all know when it takes to getting a refund for something, it can take how many days? 7 to 14 business days. And nobody got time for that. When they could have just bought it, sent it to me, and then that been the end. We got to go through all that. That's how I think. I think about things in a different way. You know, if it don't make sense, then you need to make it make sense. Because, baby, I'm not doing all that. You know, not doing all of that at all. This is a really cute design, though. But yeah, y'all see how that goes, like really bringing out, it's making that design pop out too. So yeah, this is really cute. And this is pretty much the quick part of it too. This part doesn't really take that long to do. You're just outlining it. Right. It's very, very important that you stay within the design. Do not do outside of the design, because then it'll look weird. You don't want your flame to look thicker than a snicker when it don't need to be. You know, if you didn't draw it thick, you don't make it thick, okay? Not everything needs to be thick. Okay? Okay. I don't know where I was going with that, but I went. I was there. I just shook the camera on my forehead. Lord have mercy. But yes, that's pretty much the first part of design. So yeah, the first part of the design is just this process. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and do the thumb as well. But yeah, other than that, how you guys been? How's everything going? I feel like everything is going good with my new job. You know, with this job, I get paid a lot more money, and I don't really have to talk on the phones, which is a plus for me. Cause I just feel like customer service is just, well, just call centers are just not for me anymore, because it just seems like people are just getting more ruder every day, and that's just crazy to me. Like, bitch, how you call in for help, but you have the audacity to be rude to me, bitch? To me, the person that you demanding help from. Right, it be many times I be having to I have to talk myself out of disconnecting the call. Cause baby, who you talking to? I will pull up to 632 55 Elmwood Street, Saratoga, California. Bitch, stop playing with me, okay? I identify as a threat, and I can most definitely show you that too. So yeah, my job is a lot better. But that looks good, don't it, so far, y'all? We're almost done. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna cure that for 60. I'm gonna cure that for 60 seconds, and then we're gonna come back. Well, I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds, then I'm gonna put pretty much my top coats on. So I think I explained it to you, like the new parts. I'm gonna put all over a matte top coat, and then I'm just gonna go over the flames with a glossy top coat, and then we're gonna get into the final reveal. Okay? So I'll see you guys in a minute. Right, y'all. So the time has come. The sun is setting. And a bitch got shit to do. Yes, y'all. If anything, thank y'all for stopping by today's video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you had fun. Like, this is my first time, like, really freestyling like a design. Y'all know I don't be doing stuff like this. You know, I don't do stuff like this, honey. No, ma'am. Mm-mm. Yes, but I think it's time that I learn. Let's be honest. That's the T Marie. It's about time I learn, because I want to get into a lot more other designs. You know, maybe like some characters. Who knows? But if anything, I really do hope you guys are enjoying my content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for a baddie, addy, addy, and share, because sharing is caring. Y'all know that's the only type of caring we like in this household. Other than that, I'm not gonna hold y'all up. You know, I got stuff to do. So yeah, peace.